What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Fun in the South. I'm Paul, and sitting right here next to me is my wife Jill. And for today's adventure, we're going to go check out the River Rat. Now, it's located in a little place in the Great Smoky Mountains, a little town called Townsend. And we try to do this about once a year, and it's a lot of fun. And we're excited to go do it. It is a hot day, and we're all looking forward to getting wet. Wow, chicka, wow, wow. This is the fuckers you're trying to pull in. I can't just make them stay in the road. Please take your time, though. Whatever you're doing, take your time. Just slow it down, please. Take your time. Take your time. Shut up. You ready?
Yeah.
So what's the deal?
We just put those on and...
Go for it, huh?
Yes. So let's park.
Alright, we all ready?
Ready.
Awesome. Have any of you been down before?
Yeah.
So you know to get out at the bridge?
Yeah.
To the left. Okay.
Yeah.
Probably take you a couple hours today.
Thank you.
You guys have fun. Thank you.
That didn't go as planned. I'm ready to go! Oh, look at that giant cloud.
It's game day.
Cool.
Don't go that way, Mike.
Woo! Real stiff. Roll. Forward. Like that. Nope. Stick to the board. Here we go. Nope. Come on. Wait a minute. Okay. See? Then you start moving again. That's how you got to do it. Looks silly, but trust me, it's worth it in the end. Starting to rain. Turbulent. Okay, grab him. Push off leg. Use your feet. There you go. Alright, I'm hooked onto your leg. I got you. I got you. Yeah. Alright, so there you go. So the whole trip from the time you get in the water to the time you get to this point when you get on the bus and return your raft takes about 2.5 hours. The cool thing is once you buy your ticket for River Rat, you can ride it as many times as you can in a day. So if you start early in the morning, you could probably squeeze this in 2, maybe 3 times if you really wanted to. But it's a really nice time. So that's going to do it for this episode of Fun of the South. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you did like it, please hit that like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next episode of Fun of the South. Have a great day.